bad news.
Good afternoon and good night. You want hugs? Come. You want hugs? You want hug? Say good morning. How are you? Say Mama Bizu. I love you. Yes, Mama is cooking. Mrs. cooking. You want to cook with Mama? Yeah, Mama making plantain and eggs. Yeah, for breakfast. Go for your chair. He wants to cook with me. You guys, good morning. No, c'est pas chaud. C'est pas chaud. I woke up this morning and I got a full blast workout in. Got all fresh and now I'm in the kitchen making breakfast. See, Tyler wants to join me to make breakfast. No, Tyler, wait. I'm making plantain and eggs for breakfast this morning while Babe is off to work. And I'll be heading to work, but first I'll be dropping Tyler to the daycare. So yeah, that's what's up right now. I'm making breakfast to get my day started, and I couldn't have a better day than when I start my day with workout. Everything is just right. When I want eggs, you want to break the eggs for me? You break the eggs for Mama? Mama. Hold the fork. Hit it, hit it. Way! Bravo! Hit the next one. Come. Hit it, hit it, hit, hit, hit. Yay! Bravo! Good job! When I start my day off with workout in the mornings, everything is just right. I guarantee that I'll have a good day. My mind is in a good space. I feel accomplished even before I step out the door each and every time when I work out. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day. It doesn't really matter what it is. If there is just even one person who try to spoil your day, just tell them it won't happen. Let nobody at all, I don't care who it is, let you have a bad day. Alright, I'm going to finish make breakfast and get my day going, because I have a few things to do before I head out to work today. So a lot to get done today. Egg. Egg? This is the egg? Oh, egg. You want bacon too? Oh, Lord. Okay, just one bacon, okay? Okay. But Mama didn't plan on doing any bacon. But since it's your suggestion, let's make one bacon, okay? Or maybe two.
Maybe two?
Yeah, maybe two. Let's boil our bacon. Funny enough, we only have bacons on mostly on weekends. because he have his foraging the day and I don't really have bacon unless baby's home. So since he asked for bacon, it shall be. So we're just gonna prepare him 2 bacon. Wait. Close it. Good boy, thank you.
Bacon.
You want the bacon? Okay. I was giving him a taste of the plant and he said, no, bacon. Yeah? What happened? Get down. Down. Go pee-pee. Go, mama's coming. Go. Go pee-pee. And that's breakfast, you guys. Tyler's already. Tyler bacon and plantain and eggs for me. Ready? Alright, let's go. Go! He's ready for his bacon. Bacon! He's taking his seat. I don't know what you're saying, kiddo. TG. My little nugget is off to bed. He's taking a nap. He'll be up in about 30 minutes because we need to go catch the bus so we can leave for daycare and work. So I'm going to have lunch right now. Within that time he should I should finish in time to go and pick him up, and then we can head out to go and catch the bus for work and for daycare. But for today for lunch I'm going to I don't feel like cooking, and so I'm just going to have something real fast. So I guess this gonna be breakfast for lunch kind of day. So I'm going to have some almond milk with this bio cereal that I pick up at the supermarket over the weekend. So I'm just gonna try this and see how it tastes. Hopefully it will be good for me, but that's what lunch is going to be for today. It have pumpkin seed, sesame seed, buckwheat, sunflowers, linseed. Okay, so this should be good. Today is one of those days where when you're home and you have so much to do and the time is going by so fast and you don't even realize that the time is going by so fast. I had to rush to not miss the bus just now. Pick up Tyler out his sleep, throw on his clothes and run to catch the bus, but thank God I catch it in time. I couldn't even get to film, that's how fast I was moving. And I just dropped him out the daycare, and I'm now at babe work to drop out the stroller so I can catch a bus and head to work. Man, it just never ends, y'all. Oh, you guys, I am back home with the fam bam, and I'm still in my jacket because you know sometimes when you just step out the cold you still feel like you're outside. I have to get my body used to the inside temperature before I take off my jacket. Call me weird. Babe always asks me, babe, you're not hot in the house with your jacket on? No, I'm getting used to the inside temperature before I take off my jacket. So I'm back home from work. Ow! Ow! Shoo, that hurts. Ow. I just hit my finger on a zipper. Have that ever happened to you guys? That hurts like hell. Oh my gosh. I'm back home from work. Babe came to pick me up, and I'm just getting dinner ready right now. I am just warming up leftovers from last night because who wants to cook every day? Surely not me, as much as I enjoy cooking. So last night we had liver and quinoa, chicken liver that is. So I'm just warming that up for dinner. Tyler already ate, so Tyler don't have to worry about dinner. Hey y'all.
Hi guys.
What? Why you turn around like that? Cause it still hurt? Oh Lord.
When I'm like this, I have to put my hand like this to lay down.
Lord.
I just feel.
What happened to your car?
Hi guys, I woke up this morning, have a very, very bad back pain. The only good thing is not hurting exactly the same place that he was hurting the last time. That's the only good things, but otherwise, yeah, I have this very bad pain, very uncomfortable. So yeah, hope it's soon gonna be okay. I think I'm gonna take a warm bath tonight and let's see if it gets better. But yeah, I don't really worry, but it's very disturbing. I can't do anything. I wear my neck like this because it's hurting, and yeah, bad news.
Somebody in the family is always sick. Always sick. As babe said, bad news. But yeah, he's really not feeling well. Look at him just slouching. I'm going to rub his back tonight with some Voltaren, and I'm going to see if I use some hot water on it. Well, he said he's gonna take a bath, so I don't think the hot water will be necessary, but if he end up don't take the bath, then I'm gonna hot water it and put some Voltaren on it, and hopefully he won't do any back action. Do any back action, that sounds weird, to hurt it up or whatever the case may be. But yeah, dinner is on its way right now. So that's dinner for tonight, you guys. Liver and quinoa. That's it. So bye, Fibs.
Bye.
Tomorrow. Alright, tomorrow. I love you. See, dear. See water here? Do you want water to drink? See water right here. Drink some. Alright. Night, night. I love you. What are you trying to say like me? You're so stupid. You're such an idiot. Come, go like this. You look ridiculous. I don't have my hand under my chin, it's on my cheek. You weren't made for this, babe. You weren't made for it. My husband is so stupid. You guys would understand how clown this man is. You guys,
in a good way.
Of course. He's defending in a good way, of course, in a good way. Tyler's off to bed, you guys, and we are not heading to bed just yet. We have a new series that we're watching. What is it, babe?
Scandal.
Yes, and we're loving it so far. It haven't been disappointing.
So scandalous.
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 Scandal bag. Did I give that as Jamaican expression? Scandal bag?
I don't think
Since
so.
we're talking about scandal, the Jamaican expression for today is scandal bag. Scandal bag is the bags that we get when we go to the supermarket in Jamaica to put our food in. When you go to the supermarket and get that black bag, it's called scandal
like
bag.
plastic bag, regular
Yes.
plastic bag.
Yes.
So why you call it scandal bag?
Don't
you know?
ask me, ask Jamaicans.
Okay, so that's
You guys comment down below and let me know what that bag is called in your country. The bag that you get when you go to the
Plastic
supermarket.
bag.
We call it scandal bag.
well, Flash News, they don't give any plastic bag.
I
in
guess
France. So
that's true.
They don't scandal bag.
Yes.
I don't think I give this one. Mange des carottes, ça rend aimable.
Okay, no, you haven't given this one yet.
Haha. Mange des carottes is eat some carrots. It will make you nicer. That's what they say. If someone acts very bad, they say like mange des carottes, ça rend aimable. Like eat some carrots, you'll be nicer. So that's why you say, for example, if a kid don't eat carrots and you say that's gonna make you nicer, or if you just mad because someone act bad and you say eat some carrot, that'll make you nicer.
Mange des carottes.
Ça rend aimable.
Ça rend
Aimable.
aimable.
Right.
Alright, guys.
So you know what to eat tomorrow.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Alright, you guys. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. We love each and every one of you that take the time out of your precious day to catch up and keep up with us. We love you guys. Comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.